So I first learned about Marcus Evans maybe 15 years ago when I was with an energy company in Boston, and I remember at the time the vice presidents were very excited about the Marcus Evans format because they were able to get a lot of face time directly with C-suite and decision makers in their industry. So now that I've had a chance to see it myself, it's certainly true. The ability to get in front of decision makers early on really accelerates the ability to determine whether or not you've got opportunities for business with them. So I think meeting these people one-on-one forces us both to focus, and from there we're able to determine who else in the organization that we're going to work with to develop specific projects. The format is tremendous, I'd say. I think having the ability, the Marcus Evans staff are very good at this as well, right? They do a lot of preparation. You can definitely tell they've done their homework. They know the business, and so the ability to do the matchmaking, it's just something you just don't get at other events, right? Trade shows are fine, but you're waiting to wave people into the booth and so on. And even with CRM and LinkedIn and social media, you have to do a lot of work in advance to really try to get people's attention in a very busy time period. So the Marcus Evans approach, I think, is very, very good that way.